What's up, everyone? Today we have this, the Dell XPS L702X, I think. It's not exactly in, great condition, but yeah, it's an L702X laptop. Yeah, so we're going to take it apart today. I picked up as many pieces of it as I can find. It's not in good condition because it didn't survive the 6-foot drop test. Some phone cases do, but this one didn't for some reason. So we'll be taking it apart. They should start building laptops that'll survive a 6-foot drop. Oh, surprisingly, only 3 keys fell off. Alright, so I'll actually be taking it apart according to the Dell service manual. So I have that open on another computer over there. Not sure if you can see it. But, yep, this will be followed with the service manual. There might be some sharp bits, so I'm actually going to be wearing gloves for this one, which will actually reduce my, ability with my hands, but to protect the hand, Because the display on the inside is shattered, and whatever bits from inside the LCD may have fallen off. Alright, first step, turn it over. Open the bottom panel. Like that. No hard drive, no RAM. I think we'll switch the drill now. Too many screws. You can probably guess everything's going in the trash. Try something else. May have actually been using the wrong screwdriver tip the whole time. So this will come out now. No hard drive, nothing else to remove. Alright, now for the smaller screws. But as we're going to follow the service manual, I think the first step was actually to take out the battery. So recycle that. Module cover's already removed. That's this thing. Won't fit in there. In the trash can. Memory modules are gone already. Alright, wireless mini cards. I don't see any. I just don't see any, so I'm not sure where to find those. Right, next up, hard drive already gone. Optical drive. Okay. Hold on. Garage door wants to close. Alright, remove the optical drive. think I got to push on that tab there. So, flathead. And begin pushing, and here it is. Optical drive is out. You can take that apart. It's a Blu-ray rewriter, actually. So, was pretty nice. Was. Okay, optical drive is gone. Okay, palm rest assembly. 3 screws over here on the side that I need to remove first. Actually underneath where the optical drive was. Okay, those are gone. We said to open it, so I'll do that. And then there's some kind of tab in there I'm supposed to press on. There it is. Press on that. Just separate it the rest of the way by unclip. Oh, that's pretty easy. So this unclips. And based on what I'm seeing, it's just a bunch of clips. Okay, that's interesting and easy. Oh, no wonder the right speaker sounded pretty bad. Someone left a screw in there. Interesting. And that's the left speaker. Somebody looks like they did that. Something like that, you know. Somebody didn't service it correctly. Alright, so removing this removes the trackpad as well as the power button and some other touch buttons up there for useless functions. It's got a CMOS battery, a CR2032. I'm going to see if it's got any charge. That's in the parts tray of things I may want to keep. The keyboard just flips up and it's out. So remove it like so. You know, how come foldable keyboards never caught on? Why am I still using a mechanical keyboard? Alright, next. There's that wireless card that they said would be underneath the RAM or something like that. Alright, let's remove it. It's made by Intel. They're still making wireless stuff. For many years in the past, I thought Intel only made, CPUs and stuff, not even graphics cards. Now they're in the graphics cards business. I kind of like that. You know, another rival to NVIDIA, like this one has, and AMD. All right, next up. All right, remove that already. Remove the keyboard already. Power button board. Oh, you can actually take this apart. Interesting. Okay, 2 screws. And that's just a power button like the description says. And then a ribbon cable goes down to the trackpad, which I believe can be removed as well. Oh no, we're on the display. Alright, whatever. There's some screws here, so we'll remove it. I didn't know the palm rest was so easy to remove. And there's the 2 buttons, see what's underneath it. bar stabilizer. Oddly enough, another little stabilizer in there. The touchpad's made by Synaptics. I think they also make like fingerprint readers and other stuff. So there's the palm rest done. I think it's made of metal, right? Yeah, I think so. I have a good enough feeling that it is. Back to the laptop. Removing the display now. There are 2 screws they want me to take out. These 2 right here. Can you even see it? I think I need to adjust the camera. Should be a bit that way. Yeah. Alright, that's good. These 2. Well, they're kind of pushed in, let's just say. This one came out, so it's fine. There's a couple other screws on the inside. Here, and the one next to it, and same goes for the other side. Can't wait to get my new iPhone. By the time this video's out, I may already have it. That phone I'm talking about is the iPhone 15. I am waiting on that one. So. Currently I'm using a Panasonic Lumix FZ1000 Mark II as my camera. It's pretty big, and I don't really like looking over to the screen all the time. The phone should have a bigger camera. And no, I won't do a 6-foot drop test the moment I get it. Remove this sort of display cable, as well as like whatever that is. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, let's see if we can get this out. Maybe there's another step. Hold on. Nope, it looks like the last step. Unless that bottom one wasn't completely out. Yeah, no clue why. Whatever, let's go the other way. Maybe you don't drop test these 6 feet, they won't have these issues when fixing them. Let's see if we can just pry it off with a vice grip or something. Back when laptop parts were made of metal, I thought these hinges were plastic. But seriously, it's pretty tough. I don't know why. I have no clue why that hinge is so tough. Alright, we'll just go past that then. Not sure if that'll stop me from removing other stuff. Alright, they said move on to the display. We'll come back to the laptop. Removing the display bezel. Don't do it that way. I think there's a more specific way of doing it. So now we're in there. Here's the display. I think I know how to get to work on it now. A couple screws up there. One more here. Oh, there's more. Okay. Don't tell me what not to touch. I mean, it is pretty flimsy, this board. It's almost like paper. You roll it up. It even tells me don't touch in 2 languages. Alright, well there's the display. Is what it is. And then the webcam, which I'm not sure, does it just pop out? Yeah, there aren't actually any screws holding it on. I think that's the image sensor right underneath it. Alright, and then we have an antenna. This is done. Now I think we'll be moving back to this. Hold on, I'm still searching through the service manual. Alright, removing the top cover, so that's this, I'm guessing. Remove a ton of screws, essentially. Whatever. I think we got all of them. Now, how to do it. Oh, unplug the subwoofer cable. I didn't know there was a subwoofer. Unplug that. And then remove it. Should be as easy as that. Try prying it open. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Try it from the side maybe. It looks like something's stuck in the middle. Really does. Probably at least a couple clips holding it. Oh, well, let me try to remove that hinge still. Alright, finally, that was that one screw that's holding it in. Still doesn't look like I want to give up. The picture makes it look so easy. So, alright, I'm not sure if I should. Oh, there's more. Okay. That's on me. Didn't tell me that in the service manual that there were more screws up here. Well, that one's already broken off. Oh yeah, there's actually quite a few. You know how hard this would have been to repair? Makes modern laptops look easy. Because the moment something breaks, you just get a new laptop. Because like now everything's soldered to the board. Any more? I believe we got it all covered. Oh, there's one more. Yep, that's it. Here's the bottom cover. There's a subwoofer, there actually is. Back when they actually cared about the audio and went to the length of putting in a subwoofer with its very own, enclosure. Kind of like a custom sub box for like the back of your truck or something like that. There it is, the sub. I might hold on to it. It's broken, probably. It's probably broken anyway. Yeah, it is. It's got aluminum top, cap, and then there's the speaker itself. Not the speaker. Alright, here's the battery retention system, or whatever they call it. Just a spring and that tab there. Bottom cover. Alright, the fan is broken. Alright, SD card reader's essentially falling off. We really just got like the two speakers down here and the motherboard. I'm gonna break that SD card reader off so I won't get poked when working on the speakers and stuff. It's gone. Now, who uses SD cards anyway? Oh wait, I do. My camera has one. Kind of wish it had built-in storage, like USB-C or something. Oh, looks like you can't remove the speaker, so you remove the motherboard. I'm going to remove the heatsink. There it goes. So one heat pipe goes to the CPU, the other one goes to the GPU. Fan also has a few screws. It's a pretty big fan. I believe the XPS line of laptops was Dell's best at the time. Actually, no, I think they bought Alienware out already, so it would have been some kind of Alienware model. Okay, good. I have the flathead already. Just twist that, and I think we have access to the CPU when laptops had removable CPUs. I think it's an i7 2nd gen of some sort. Hold on to that because it's cool. And then there's this board attached to it. What does it have on it? Let's find out. So on that board we have 3 USB ports, 2 of them being 3.0, the others being 2.0. Next up we have the power connector, I think. At least I'm pretty sure that is. Yep, power connector. And then some kind of board that attaches to the other one. That one of them is a SIM card tray. Also connects to speakers and holds the WLAN cards. And also like the HDMI, display port, Ethernet. So essentially a networking board. Also the audio. So this kind of controls all the other stuff, other than like, you know, what you'd find on a desktop or something. Have any more screws? I think it does. One more. Here it is, a motherboard, finally. Has this plastic, I think, just for shielding over all of its components. All of this will be recycled, although we have a couple more parts. The speakers, there's one of them. I think it was a JBL speaker system or something. And all of them have, like, you know, those rubber dampeners, should I say, to prevent the speaker, you know, noise, vibrations from going elsewhere into the case. So, yeah, these things. Okay. So we've just about disassembled the entire laptop. We're down to the case, the bare metal of the case. there it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, I can't lay out all the components, a lot of them are destroyed. So, oh yeah, can't say that yet. I have the DVD drive to open. For this one, I'll head back to here. Put this screwdriver away. Same for this. Won't use the drill. Also not in very good shape is the DVD drive. Underneath here, there's some screws. Oh, that just crumbled. Okay. That was the, like, sensor of the drive. Push this out. Oh wait. Just come back here. Yeah. Look at that. DVDs. I'm not going to even bother with that. SD cards were actually a pretty good invention since they had no moving parts and therefore didn't need a complex reader like this. Instead, you just plug them in and go. You know? Pretty thin and flimsy. Controller board, just one big chip there. This mechanism here for ejecting it. Not going to bother with it. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, for real this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.